Hair loss doesn't discriminate, whether you're a man or a woman, young or old. Chances are you've noticed a few extra hairs in the shower drain, on your pillow, or stuck to your comb. It's a silent battle many of us fight, often in frustration, embarrassment, or even fear. But what if I told you that one of your most powerful weapons isn't found in a bottle of shampoo or an expensive salon treatment, but rather on your plate? In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 foods scientifically proven to support healthy, strong hair and prevent hair loss. These aren't just trends, they're time-tested, nutrient-packed staples that can literally feed your follicles and transform your hair from root to tip. Before we jump into the list, let's understand the intimate connection between your diet and your hair. Hair is made primarily of a protein called keratin, and its growth is fueled by nutrients delivered through your bloodstream. When your diet lacks key vitamins, minerals, or amino acids, your body shifts into survival mode, redirecting nutrients away from non-essential processes like hair growth. That's why poor nutrition is one of the leading causes of thinning hair, brittle strands, and premature shedding. By eating the right foods, you can reverse that damage, stimulate dormant hair follicles, and protect the strands you already have. First on our list is a food you've probably heard about in every health article: salmon. But don't underestimate its power when it comes to your hair. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining scalp hydration and reducing inflammation that can lead to follicle shrinkage. Omega-3 salve also help increase hair elasticity, reduce breakage, and encourage the production of oils that keep hair shiny and manageable. Plus, salmon provides high-quality protein and vitamin D, both of which are essential for activating hair growth cycles. Studies show that people who consume fatty fish regularly experience less hair thinning and improved scalp health. Omega-3 improve the lipid content of the skin on your scalp, helping to soothe irritation and create an ideal environment for hair growth. Chronic scalp inflammation, often triggered by stress, poor diet, or autoimmune reactions, is a common but overlooked cause of hair loss. By calming this inflammation, omega-3's south protect hair follicles and keep them in the growth phase longer. A diet rich in omega-3 south can help reverse the miniaturization of hair follicles, a hallmark of pattern baldness. Next up, eggs are one of the best natural foods for hair growth. They're loaded with high-quality protein and biotin, which are super important for strong, healthy hair. Protein helps build your hair, while biotin, a B-vitamin, is essential for making keratin. How cool is that? A deficiency in biotin is one of the most common triggers for hair thinning and brittle strands. That's why many hair supplements advertise biotin as their star ingredient. But getting it from real food like eggs is even more effective and absorbable. Biotin supports enzymatic reactions that aid in the metabolism of amino acids and fats, both of which are vital for hair follicle function. The protein in eggs helps repair damaged hair shafts, while nutrients like zinc and selenium in the yolk support overall follicle health. Eating eggs 3 to 4 times a week can make a noticeable difference in hair strength, thickness, and growth rate. And because eggs are so versatile, they can be incorporated into your diet in dozens of delicious ways. The third powerhouse on our list is spinach, a dark leafy green that delivers a potent dose of iron. Folate and vitamins A and C. Iron is one of the most crucial minerals for hair growth because it helps red blood cells carry oxygen to the scalp and hair follicles. When your iron levels are low, hair follicles receive less oxygen and nutrients, which leads to slowed growth and increased shedding. In fact, iron deficiency is one of the top nutritional causes of female hair loss. Iron deficiency doesn't always show up in blood tests until it becomes severe. But even mild shortages can cause hair to become dull, thin, or prone to falling out. Women, in particular, are at higher risk due to menstruation, pregnancy, or dietary restrictions. Spinach not just provides non-heme iron, but also provides vitamin C, which helps your body absorb that iron more efficiently. Eating spinach with a source of healthy fat like olive oil or avocado enhances absorption and makes this food a true ally in the fight against hair loss. Let's add some color to your plate with sweet potatoes, a delicious root vegetable rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the production of sebum, the oily substance that keeps your scalp moisturized and your hair shiny. It also plays a crucial role in cell regeneration and follicle growth. Without enough vitamin A, your scalp becomes dry and flaky, and your hair becomes brittle and prone to breakage. Sweet potatoes are one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene. A single serving provides more than 4 times your daily requirement of vitamin A. This vitamin acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting hair follicles from oxidative stress and environmental damage. Just like plants need healthy soil to grow, your hair needs a nourished scalp to flourish. Sweet potatoes deliver exactly that. Last but not least, we have Greek yogurt, a creamy, protein-rich superfood that's often underrated in the world of hair care. Greek yogurt is packed with vitamin B5, which helps improve blood flow to the scalp and strengthens hair against thinning and breakage. It also provides zinc, a mineral that helps maintain the oil glands around your hair follicles. Without enough zinc, hair follicles can weaken and shut down production, resulting in hair loss or slow regrowth. What makes Greek yogurt stand out is its probiotic content. These healthy bacteria support gut health, and a healthy gut means better nutrient absorption across the board. When your digestive system is in balance, it's easier for your body to extract and use the vitamins and minerals your hair needs. Many people report improved skin and hair quality after adding yogurt or other fermented foods to their diet regularly. Each of these 5 foods works wonders on its own, but together they create a nutrient synergy that maximizes hair growth and protection. For example, start your day with a Greek yogurt parfait topped with berries and flax seeds. Enjoy a lunch salad with spinach, boiled eggs, and a lemon olive oil dressing. For dinner, try grilled salmon with a side of mashed sweet potatoes. These combinations not only taste great, but also ensure your hair is getting a daily dose of the nutrients it craves. Just as important as what you eat is what you don't eat. Highly processed foods, excessive sugar, trans fats, and crash diets wreak havoc on hair follicles. Deficiencies in protein, iron, zinc, or essential fatty acids often lead to noticeable hair loss within weeks. Alcohol, smoking, and chronic stress also reduce blood flow to the scalp and disrupt hormone levels that regulate hair cycles. While hair supplements can help in cases of deficiency, nothing beats real, whole foods. Nutrients from food are better absorbed and come with a full spectrum of cofactors that make them more effective. However, if you're unable to get enough of certain nutrients like iron or biotin through your diet alone, consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. Take Sarah, for instance. She's 35 and tackled postpartum hair loss by loading up on iron-rich foods like spinach and lean meats. Then there's James, 45, who ditched processed foods for omega-3 packed salmon dinners. And guess what? His thinning hair started to fill in. These aren't just lucky breaks. They show what your body can do with the right fuel. Healthy hair doesn't happen overnight. It takes time for nutrients to reach your follicles and for new growth to show. Be consistent. Eat these foods regularly. Stay hydrated, avoid damaging heat and chemicals, and get enough sleep. Within 6 to 12 weeks, you'll likely notice less shedding, improved texture, and stronger strands. You don't need fancy serums or pricey salon treatments for healthier hair. What you really need is good old nutrients, real powerful stuff from your daily meals. Your hair is like a living extension of your overall health. The top 5 foods we talked about: salmon, eggs, spinach, sweet potatoes, and Greek yogurt are awesome not just for your hair, but also for your heart, brain, skin, and immune system. Feed your body right, and your hair will totally appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button.